You will agree with me that we have a very high quality, high caliber of people on this commission, and therefore we expect that the commission will be very effective and efficient, and the time is of essence. Members of the National Assembly need the kind of staff and aids that will enhance our activities and our performance.
The business starts today, and I believe they will operate optimally in the interest of the National Assembly, in the interest of the country, most importantly. So we're looking forward to a robust National Assembly Service Commission.
We are really ready to put in our best with our past experiences to see how we'll move the nation forward in this line of assignment that we are put into. We have already set our agenda to make sure that we have a high capacity National Assembly staff that will work with the legislators to make their work easy, simple, and they give us a good legislation to the nation.
And according to the oath we took today, we'll stick by that and make sure that the commission and the staff are really proud of our administration.
We are going to work as a team and achieve the desired result. The rule of law will prevail.